Good morning, children. Chapter 14, Safety, Habits and First Aid. Chapter 14, Safety, Habits and First Aid. First, we are going to learn safety rules. We must always take care of ourselves and others. Most of the accidents occurred due to our carelessness. To avoid these accidents, we should be very careful and alert. We should follow safety rules all the time when we are in school or when we are in road. If you are celebrating any festivals, you have to follow some. At home also, you all should follow some safety rules. That is what today we are going to learn. So first, we are going to learn safety on the road. Most of the times, you all will be walking. Okay. So when we go in two-wheeler or four-wheeler or walking also, you should follow some safety rules. While going to school, we see buses, scooters and cars moving on the road. We are safe when we follow traffic rules. There are some rules we want to follow. 8. We should always walk on the footpath. Where there is no footpath, we must walk on the safe side of the road. We must not run or play on the road. We must cross the road at zebra crossing. We must cross the road only when the pedestrian traffic light is green. We must cross the road through subway or over bridge if there is one. Where there is no zebra crossing, we should wait till the road is cleared. First, we must look to our right, then left and right again. When the road is clear, we should cross the road. Always use zebra crossing to cross the road. Drive cycle on the left side of the road. Cycle only on roads with less traffic. Where is very less traffic, it's there only. You have to cycle in the road. Next, we are going to learn safety while traveling in a bus. You all will travel in the bus, school bus or any other bus when you go for a trip or when you go to your native place. You all will travel in the bus. Most of the times you all will travel in the bus. So there are some rules you have to follow when you travel in the bus. We must stand in a queue at the bus stop while waiting for the bus. When you are standing in a bus stop, you have to stand in a queue. We must not lean out or put our hand out of the window of a moving bus. See, when moving bus is there, that time you should not put your head or a hand outside of the bus window. We must not get in or out of the moving bus. When bus is moving, you should not get down. When the bus is stopped only, you have to get down. We must not travel on the footboard of the bus. If you are traveling in the bus, you should go inside and you have to sit. Otherwise, you should not stand in the footboard. We must not disturb the bus driver. When bus driver is driving the bus, you should not disturb the bus driver. We must keep quiet in the bus. When you are traveling in the bus, most of the students will travel in the bus. In bus also you will be talking. So that disturbs the driver. Like that also accidents will occur. So when you are sitting in the bus, you should quiet. We must not open the door of a moving bus. When bus is moving, you should not open the door. Next, safety at school. See, when you are in school, you have to follow all this one. Do not push anyone. For fun also, you should not push anyone because they will fall. They'll get the hurt. Do not jump on the desk. When ma'am is not there, you should not jump from the desk. Do not play rough games. See, you should not play a small game also. When ma'am is not there, you should not play a small game also. If ma'am is there, then okay. If ma'am is not there, you should not play a small game also. That occur for you a accident type. So you'll get the hurt like that. Next, we are going to learn safety at home. I hope now you all are at home. You should follow this safety rules. We must not play with sharp things like blades, knives and scissors. They can cut our skin. See, when your mother is not there, you should not take all this thing, that is blade, knife and scissor. They can cut your skin. We must not touch electric wires. This is very important. You should not touch any electric wires, flex, hot iron and heaters. See, this and all you'll get the shock if you touch. They can give us an electric shock. We must not leave our toys on the floor. After playing, you have to collect all the toys and keep it in one bowl or whatever. Yeah, in that you have to keep it. Because if someone keeps there, they can fall down. We must not run down the steps. When you are climbing the steps, you should not run in the steps. We may fall down. We must not climb or shelves or windows, slides. See, when no one is not there, you should not climb on the windows or shelf. You may fall. We must not use matchsticks on our own. See children, you should not take the matchsticks. When your elders is not there at home, you should not take the matchbox only. We should not tease pets or other animal. Tease. You should not tease the pet animals because they are very soft. Next, we are going to learn safety during festivals. These things you have to follow in festival time. We must not play with firecrackers. Already Diwali has gone. Now Shankranti is coming. So you should not play with the firecrackers. We must take the help of the elder in lighting candles. When elders are there means you have to take the help of the elders and light the candles. We must play Holi only with herbal colors. See, there are some herbal colors only it's there. In that only you have to play the Holi. Otherwise your face and all will get the allergy. Next, first aid. If you are at home also, in your home also, that first aid box should be there. In school also it is there. In bus also we have seen this first aid box. When we get hurt, we must tell an elder person at home. If it is in a minor cut or burn, we should immediately wash the area with cold water. We should stay calm and should not shout or be scared. Our teacher at school or parents at home always help us. They give us first aid or take us to a doctor if required. I hope children you all understood this lesson. Learn the lesson twice. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the live class. Okay children, thank you. Bye. Have a good day.